Hey guys, so today I'm gonna come at you with the things that I want to get or that I will be getting, and a lot of them are kind of like drugstore prices. They're not like over the top kind of pricing, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so the first thing that I will be picking up is the I Heart Makeup 24K Gold palette. It is part of the whole chocolate bar range that they have going on, and you guys know that I collect all of these palettes. Kind of looks like this one, but it's gonna have like gold packaging. I'll put a picture up somewhere on the screen so you can have a look. The colors, I'm not too sure what this is supposed to be resembling, replicating. As we know, Makeup Revolution tend to dupe a lot of makeup brands. If you can tell what this is supposed to be, let me know, but I can't figure out what it's supposed to be. So, but I'm still gonna get it because I collect them, and it's only what, $8.99. So as soon as that hits Superdrug, I'm going to be getting it, because currently it's only on the Tam Beauty website, and I just don't want to be paying for shipping. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to be getting is the BH, is it Smoky palette or Smoke palette or something like that? Again, this is generally because of packaging. I have a few items of theirs which looks just like this. I think like the Forever Nude, Forever Smoky, Forever Glam palettes, and then they had another one as well, and like this is just part of the range. And they also have a rosé palette as well, but the rosé palette, it looks just like a bunch of crease colors, and you guys know that I've got a bunch of neutral palettes, but I just want it for the packaging because I already collect this range. So I want to complete the range. Don't judge me too harshly. I don't really care if you judge me, but it's my money. I do whatever the hell I want with it. Anyway, so these are $15, both the Smoke one and the Rosé one. They're both $15, but BH Cosmetics tends to have a lot of sales all the time, and they tend to extend their sales and all of that good stuff. So I'm not even going to buy them at $15. I'm going to wait until they have one of their mad sales and it's down to like $7 or whatever, and then I'll get it. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to wait for. And next is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. This looks beautiful. It looks so beautiful, and I loved the campaign ad. Gorgeous. She looks amazing in this campaign ad. And the thing is, at first I was kind of like, well, should I get it? Should I not get it? But then I heard that the price was going to be just over $20. I think it's like $25 or $26, something like that. So I might have a look on the ABH UK site, because they have like an American site and a UK site. So once this launches, I might just go onto the UK site and see how much they're selling it for, and if like the money is right, then I will get it. I'm kind of surprised at the supposed price range for this highlighter, because it's Anastasia Beverly Hills, and on top of that, because it is a collab with a influencer. Next is the Sigma Creme de Couture palette. Oh, let me just get this out here, okay? So recently I changed my broadband provider from Sky to EE, because EE are doing like some crazy like sale in January, whatever, and a part of that deal is to get like this prepaid MasterCard, so I can spend a little bit of extra money on makeup that doesn't necessarily come directly out of my pocket. So that's why I'm able to just splurge a little bit, because hey, I'm gonna be able to get that card. I think it's in the mail now actually. But yeah, the Creme de Couture palette by Sigma. When I first saw this, it was the old packaging. I think the old packaging had like, it was a box, and then you could actually take the whole lid off, and then the palette itself was in the bottom of this box. But now they've repackaged, they've redone it, and I don't think I even knew about Sigma when they had come out with this the original Creme de Couture palette. But now that they've relaunched it, repackaged it, I absolutely love it. And those colors, those pastel-y, colorful shades, I absolutely live before. Like right now my kick is the Kat Von D Pastel Goth palette right now. I mean, I am living for those shades, and I find myself drawing for like the peachy one and the purpley one like all the time. And this I feel like will be a great addition. It has a few more pastel-y kind of shades that I would definitely want to indulge in. So I'm definitely going to be getting that. But I still have to wait for my MasterCard, prepaid MasterCard to come through before I can buy any of this stuff, okay? So, oh, recently I saw the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. Apparently this is one of their new foundations. They have it in Superdrug for I think about $9.99. I need to go and colour match myself. I've heard nothing but good things about this foundation so far, and it's supposed to be like, okay, I think it is affordable. $9.99 is affordable for a foundation. I've had an even more affordable foundation. Is it the Ordinary? I've spoken about them before. The Ordinary Coverage Foundation. I think that was like £5 something like that. Amazing foundation. But I do want to try this one out because I've heard nothing but good things. It's supposed to be full coverage. It's supposed to be just like an amazing finish, and I want to try it for myself. And when things are affordable like that, yes, I want to try it. Okay. Oh, things that I have already ordered. I've ordered the Festival palette from Juvia's and the blush palettes from them as well. I'm currently having some issues with Juvia's. It's like this is the first time that I'm actually ordering with them, and everything that people have been saying about their customer service is 100% true. It is a mess. They are a mess. They don't know what is going on. They said they don't even know where my packages are. They don't know where they are, and no one's really offering any kind of help. We're gonna wait, but yeah, their customer service is a mess. I'm gonna wait, and if you see me with these palettes, then you know that it was all fine. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, I definitely want to get the Festival palette. I mean, first of all, look at the artwork. Second of all, those colors though. Thirdly, generally, Juvia's always come out with amazing product. I think the only one that I wasn't 100% sold on was that Zulu palette, and that was my first ever Juvia's palette that I purchased, and I like, some of them were good, some of them weren't too good, but all of the other palettes that I have tried thereafter, which was like the rest of the whole collection, are amazing. It's just a shame that their customer service does not match up with the quality of their products. Like the two need to kind of come together. You can't have amazing products and then have lackluster customer service, because like, fam, we can't have that. So please, if you are watching this, please get your customer service together. Anyway, so those are all the things that I am going to buy and have already started purchasing. And I will be doing reviews, swatches, and all of that on these items once they are here. So just keep an eye out for that. Anyway, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.